This is a 2022 Ram 1500, the Longhorn Limited Edition with the 5.7 Hemi. It's called an eTorque. We're going to leave all the factory exhaust on except change out the factory muffler with a nice Magnaflow. We call it a melotone muffler. It'll keep the drone down but give some sound, especially when you get on it a little bit. Shouldn't have too much drone inside. Let's do a little before here. Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty mellow stock. Just revving the engine a little bit, but Magnaflow will just liven it up, take the sound that's already there, and give it a little more deeper, throatier tone to it. So we'll let you hear what that sounds like here. Let me get it on there. Okay, so got it up in the air, so we're going to leave the factory resonators on there. Leave it all stock there. Just change the factory muffler out. Leave it all stock up front. Put that Magnaflow on there. We'll let you see what that sounds like. Okay, so you can see we just changed out the factory muffler, put the Magnaflow on there, left the factory resonators on there, out to the factory tips. Let's see what it sounds like. So you can see it just got a little deeper and throatier. Probably amped it up probably about 10 to 15 dB, somewhere in there. Kind of mild. Customer doesn't want it too loud. Pretty popular setup on these Rams.